I'm unboxing the FixMeStick. This is a virus removal tool. It's really simple and easy to use. Pretty much just all I have to do is plug it in. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And this works with your PC, and as you can see here, you simply just have to plug it in. So it looks like we have a thank you card here. Thanks for choosing them. If you need any kind of support, you have direct contact there. Then we got some instructions to follow. You just pretty much follow the prompts and it does the work for you. So here is the product itself. Pretty cool looking packaging and branding, FixMeStick. So this is really tiny. You can see in comparison to my fingers here. It looks just like a USB thumb drive. So there it is, the FixMeStick. And again, just plug it into your computer, follow the prompts, and it's going to quickly remove any kind of virus issues that you potentially might have and get your computer running fast and smooth again. So to recap on some of the main features is that it cleans computers that are already infected. It works with your security software. It updates automatically, and it's shockproof and waterproof. Plug this in about once a month, follow the prompts on your computer, and that's pretty much all you gotta do. And you can keep your computer safe from viruses. You don't have to go out and get a brand new computer or spend hundreds of dollars on tech support. So this is definitely a great way to help prevent some unneeded expenses. And what I like about this is you could pretty much just put this on your keychain.